morning, my name is Sai Balaji Hajare from class 4. Today I am telling about life cycle of bird. A series of changes in life of an organism is called life cycle. Life cycle includes fertilization, growth and development of young one to adult stage. All birds are oviparous. It means they lay the eggs to produce young one. Group of bird class is called F. The F show parental care like human. It means young one, chick feeds and protected by parent birds. In the bird, fertilization is internal. Fusion of male and female gamete is to form zygote is called fertilization. Following are the stages in life cycle in birds. Hatching. A bird just out of the egg. Nesting. A bird remains in the nest until it is able to fly. Feeding. A bird that has left the nest and developing the first sight of flight feathers, but it is depend on parents for food. Juvenile, the stage at which a bird is not capable of breeding is called juvenile stage. Immature, sub-adult stage with hard feathers is called immature stage. Adult, a mature